Can you imagine making $1 million without ever showing your face, without speaking, without leaving your small village? What if all you had to do was press record and let the birds sing? Sounds crazy, right? Well, this is a true story. And by the end of it, you might start looking at the world around you a little differently. He wasn't a YouTuber. He didn't have a following. He didn't even own a good microphone. He lived in a quiet village, far from any big city, with no job, no fancy setup, and no idea how YouTube worked. But he loved one thing: nature. Every morning, he walked through the nearby woods just to clear his mind. No phone calls, no noise, just birds, wind, and trees. That's when he noticed something. The sound of nature made him feel peaceful. It helped him think better, sleep better, breathe better. And he thought, if this helps me, maybe it can help someone else too. So one day, he opened the voice recorder app on his phone, placed it on a rock near a tree, and recorded the birds singing for 30 minutes. He didn't edit it. He didn't even give it a fancy name. Just bird sounds for sleep and hit upload. No expectations, no plan, just curiosity. Days passed, nothing. Weeks passed, still nothing. Then one evening, he opened the YouTube app. 10,000 views, hundreds of comments, thousands of hours watched. He was shocked. Comments said things like, "I use this every night. My baby falls asleep to this. Please make more." That's when everything changed. He realized something most people never notice. People aren't just watching, they're using it to sleep, meditate, focus, study, calm anxiety. And that meant one thing: value. So he started uploading more. Different birds, longer durations, better quality. He saved up to buy a basic microphone for $50. Then he started walking to parks, mountains, rivers, wherever he could record. He created a 10-hour version of bird sounds and uploaded it to Gumroad, a platform for digital downloads. He priced it at just $10. Nothing fancy, just honest. At first, a few people bought it, then more. Then a tweet went viral, then a Reddit thread, then a TikTok. And suddenly, hundreds of people were buying his audio every week. Meanwhile, his YouTube channel was getting millions of views. Ad revenue poured in, affiliate links, sponsorship offers. He had made over $1 million, all from bird sounds. He didn't chase money, he chased peace. He didn't make content for the algorithm, he made content for people. That's why it worked. He solved a problem without trying to sell anything. He offered calm in a noisy world. And that's what real value looks like. You don't need a perfect camera. You don't need to speak perfect English. You don't even need to show your face. You just need two things: a simple idea and the courage to act on it. Maybe your $1 million idea is already around you, in your town, in your room, in your voice, or maybe in the trees near your house. So don't wait for permission. Don't wait for perfect timing. Sometimes, the quietest ideas make the loudest impact.